Hey everyone, this is Rose and welcome to my random channel. This is going to be another double mystery Birchbox unboxing video, and in case you've never seen one of my videos before, I will link my playlist in the cards. I am going to admit that I am basically a beauty product hoarder. I have this huge box in my closet that's full of just beauty box subscriptions for over the last 5 years, I hate to admit. And so when I sit down and film these videos with the different companies, I just basically reach in, pull out two. It could be one from last month, it could be one from 4 years ago. I have no idea. And when I review these, I list the company product information down below in case you're interested in joining. And I actually calculate the values of the samples in comparison to how much the boxes cost so that you'll know whether or not you're getting your money's worth. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Now, this is Birchbox. I can tell this is probably a more recent box right here, while this is probably a really old one because this is how their boxes used to look 5 years ago. So I think I'm gonna do this one first since I know already that it's really old. Alright, still has little papers. This was back in the day when they used to use tissue paper. They don't anymore. What the heck is this? 52 bright ideas for a rainy day. Rainy day tips. Okay. Kind of cheesy, but alright. Okay, the one I got was tip number 20, which was 20 out of 52. Read an old magazine. And then it has 3 more random tips on the back. Hit the snooze button, go back to bed. Think cozy chic, pull out your oldest, most worn sweatshirt. Tip number 21, write a just because note to a friend or relative you haven't spoken to in a while. And then, oh wow, this is April 2014, which is a rainy days theme. This talks about the theme of the box always, and then the other side shows the products and the values and everything. And I think I'm just gonna go in order. Oh wow, this has food in it, which I'm absolutely not gonna eat because I know it is definitely not good anymore. Even though it actually doesn't look terrible, which is the scary part. But yeah, Birchbox doesn't use these anymore either. These little cardboard pill boxes or whatever you want to call them. But okay. The first product is, and it looks a little discolored. The polish looks absolutely fine on the inside. It's I have a hair on my face. It's a Color Club Galas Gems Collection, breakfast at ... A set of 4 of these is 13 bucks. That's how the polish looks, and it's actually a-okay on the inside. We teamed up with style blogger Gayla Gonzalez to create this exclusive shimmery shade. This formula has a luxe pearl finish, apply 2 coats, followed by a top coat. Love nail polish. The next thing is a Derma E Hydrating Night Cream with hyaluronic acid. Full size is $29.50. Okay. And this sample is a half an ounce, 14 grams. And this nail polish was 0.25 fluid ounces, 7 milliliters. Okay. All natural antioxidant packed hydrator that helps skin recover while you snooze. The third thing is number 4, high performance hair care. And this actually includes a shampoo sample along with a conditioner foil packet. It says that clarifying, there's actually no information on the foil packet, but okay. The clarifying shampoo, the full size is $32. Good Lord. This is 1 fluid ounce. Vitamin-rich botanicals gently purify hair while restoring lost moisture and shine. Didn't realize. I actually am using a hairspray by this company that I actually really do like. That's pretty expensive for a shampoo. And then I actually don't have any information about this reconstructed hair mask, but this is 0.25 fluid ounces. I just realized this thing has like all this French on it. Clear winter sunrise where I stood watching with downy feathers floating from the loose curls on my hair. Our wispy troop was wending its way home in a particularly poetic state of dishevelment, ending a night that we remembered quite beautifully. Lumiere d'hiver combines nature's finest ingredients, cutting-edge technology, and the innovation to not only present a high-performance hair care collection, but to actively improve the state of our planet. It's really deep for a fall packet. The next thing is, I love how the Balm does their samples. It's basically like miniatures of the actual full-size product. This is How About Them Apples Cheek and Lip Cream. The full size is $32. From the brand's new palette, oh, it's a palette. For the brand's new palette, a dual-purpose creamy stain with a hint of shimmer. This is 20 grams, 0.7 ounces, and the color I got is Apple Pie. And actually the palette has 6 shades in it, which you'll see in just a second. There's that. And then that's the inside. I wonder if this still, yep, it definitely still feels creamy. And that is actually a pretty color. And the Lifestyle Extra is this very expired, even though it doesn't look expired, Kind bar. A healthy grains bar, maple pumpkin seeds with sea salt. A 15 pack is $11.88. The perfect combo of salty and sweet. These delicious treats pack a whole grain punch. So the value of this first box from April 2014 is, and let me get into this more recent one, the Psst, You're Beautiful Birchbox. And this was actually when they still used tissue paper, which they don't anymore. September 2015. And actually, a little card about the Birchbox shop. This actually is missing a product because I pulled it out because I was in dire need of it. Fantastic product, and I'll go ahead and talk about it first and insert a picture. It was an Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil. The full size is $25. This thing was probably either a third or half the size of a full size. It lasted me for probably almost a year, like 8 or 9 months. Really great brow pencil. An easy to use tool that helps fill in and naturally shape unruly brows. I would actually consider buying the full size since the little sample lasted me for so long. Next thing is a Cure Organics Facial Cleansing Gel Superfruit Plus CGF. Full size is $26. This cleanser infuses skin with anti-aging ingredients for a fresh, younger looking complexion. Davines. This is a sea salt spray. Full size is $24. I'm slacking here. This sample is 1 fluid ounce. This one is 3.38 fluid ounces, so this is actually a decent size. The styling spray gives you beachy texture and mega volume without any stickiness, and actually I don't mind using sea salt sprays. Next thing is a Japanesque Velvet Touch eyeshadow. The full size is $33. I wonder if this is full size. A velvety shadow that balances a richly pigmented hue with a supple hint of shimmer. This is 1.6 grams, 0.056 ounces, and this is in shade number 5. Let me show you the box, and I can't help but wonder if this is full size. Pretty neat if it is, because it's $33 right there. Very pretty packaging. And then, oh wow, this is beautiful. Really nice compact. Future Rose is probably going to be really excited if this turns out to be full size. But look at that pigment. And then you can see the swatches on my hand. And the last thing is a perfume sample. L'Artisan Parfumeur. Le Chasse au Papillon Eau de Toilette. Full size is $85. The fresh notes of orange blossom, jasmine, lime, and tuberose evoke a feeling of simple summer days. And of course, it's just a simple little... Got that right on my face. This smells like something I've smelled before. I think back in the day, if you're a long-time subscriber, you would know. An old New Beauty test tube, I believe, had fragrance samples by this company. Because this actually smells like it, and it actually doesn't smell that bad. So the value of the second box is... Here they are again. Am I a member? Of course I am. And if you're interested in joining Birchbox, I'll put my referral link down below. Of course, you don't have to use it. And again, this is it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in a comment down below. And again, this is Rose. Thank you so much for watching this crap. I'm running out of room on my SD card, so there may not be an outro.